Hello everyone, this is speckyfoodie. Today's menu will be deep fried calamari. Calamari and squid is different, but we can only find squid over here, I guess. Squid is still a nice replacement, but more importantly, this dish is super yummy. So let's get cooking. Here's the ingredients you will need. Let's prepare the ingredients. Remove the head. Then remove the plastic-like bone and remove any slimy stuff inside. You can see a small pocket from the squid. That's where the squid ink is. And they use this ink to escape from their predators. You might want to keep the ink to cook ink pasta. For the head, cut through the top of the squid eye. Use your fingers and pull any organs that is in between. Then discard the top portion. Give the squid a nice wash. Remove the skin of the squid by peeling them. You can either pull out the squid flaps or cut the flaps. The body should be white and shiny after you have cleared up all this. Let's cut up the squid. Cut the squid body at finger width size. For the last portion, you can leave it as it is, or you can cut them into a flat piece. For the flaps, cut them into bite size. For the tentacles, cut the long tentacles into 3 equal portions, and then cut the rest into 3 portions. Add in all the condiments for marinade, mix well, and let it sit. Finally, chop some parsley for garnishing. Cut the lemon in half horizontally, then cut into wedges. You just need 2 of them. And that's all for the preparation. And the cooking begins. Mix the flour mixture together. Prepare the beaten egg in a bowl. Transfer some squids into the eggs. Coat the squids in the egg and transfer to the flour mixture. Use a dry hand or another utensil to coat the squid with the mixture. You can prepare them beforehand, but preferably, it's better to do this step just before frying the squid. At medium-high heat, add in 3 to 4 cups of oil in a hot. Put a wooden skewer or chopstick in the oil. If the bubbles are forming, the oil is ready. Add in the squid separately. Do not overcrowd the pan. Cook them to a maximum of 30 seconds per batch. And it's done and ready to serve with any sauce you like. And let's see. Thank you very much for watching our video. Do click on like if you like the video. Let us know what food you would like to see in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Cheers! Enjoy your meal!